Hi there, meet the GB1F 1-inch non-metallic diaphragm pump, fully compatible with the ndPiper. Let's dive in and see what makes it special. First off, this pump can handle solids up to 0.25 inches or 6 mm, so it's great for fluids with small suspended particles. It can pump water up to 70 meters high, with each stroke moving 0.72 liters, and it handles pressure up to 6 bar. One that comes in a lightweight, portable design, perfect for corrosive fluids and tricky applications. This GB1F is 1-to-1 to the original, fully assembled in our factory with strict quality control. We offer OEM pricing at just about 30 of the original brands, with ample stock and fast delivery ready to go. So whether you are in fluid handling industry or just looking for a reliable, cost-effective pump, the GB1F has you covered. Now check out the air distribution valve. It's no-lube, no-store design. That means minimal maintenance and super smooth operation, even under tough conditions. Feel free to reach out and communicate with us. We'd love to share solutions for your fluid handling needs.